Hi students, today's video is PowerPoint 1 Project 1. I have the instructions downloaded and I have the file open ready to go. As a member of the Carver School Foundation Committee, you are helping to create a presentation that promotes a cooking competition to raise funds for the school's arts wing expansion. On slide 1, there's no title. Type iron, vegetarian as the slide title, and then type Carver School Foundation as the subtitle. To begin entering the content of the presentation, add a new slide 2 using the two content slide layout. So go up to new slide, I'm going to press Control Z, and I'm going to pick the one that I need. I need the two content. Okay, add a new slide 2 using that two content layout. We did. On the new slide, enter the text describing the cooking competition as follows. Enter events as the slide title. And then it says in the left placeholder, enter a bulleted list with the following items: mystery basket, appetizer challenge, and secret cupcake. In the right, enter the bulleted list. Continue entering content by adding a new slide 3. So let's enter a new slide 3, and we are going to use the title in content. On slide 3, we are going to enter text identifying the judging categories. So judging categories is our heading, our slide title, and then the content is bullets, taste, variety, appearance, and creativity. With slide 3 judging categories still displayed, increase the indent of the variety. So if we're going to increase the indent, you can go up and increase indent. A variety bullet to one level to show that it's part of the taste category. It wants us to go on to slide number 4. The arts wing expansion. Decrease the indent photography. So with my cursor inside of photography, I can decrease that indent from okay. And then on slide 5, volunteers, replace volunteers with contacts for the title placeholder. You will need to send this presentation to a graphic designer who requested that you form at the presentation with a plain design. So we're going to apply the office theme to all slides. So if we go into design, I believe we can go and look at these, and we can find the office theme is the white one. And it does that for all of them. And then it says in the slide sorter, you should see the, it should look like the final preview that's in your instructions. So the slide sorter is down the status bar. And then you see that you have 5 slides, and they should look very similar to the final figure. I'm going to go File, Save As. When I save it, I'm going to make sure that I change the number 1 at the end to a 2. I'm going to save. I'm going to go press Continue and Submit. view my report. On the last slide, and we got a 100 out of 100. Very easy and perfect. Thanks so much for watching.